Welcome to our tutorial on how to email a specific page using Pages on your Mac. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to quickly and effectively share the exact page you need. Let's get started. First, open up the Pages document that has multiple pages. To open the side panel on the top left, click the View option. Choose Page Thumbnails. Next, click on the file and click on Print toward the bottom. A preview window with some extra options comes up. You can choose by selecting a page range, which means selecting the page by its page number, which is seen on the left. On the lower left of the window, click the small drop-down arrow to the right of the word PDF. This will give us more options to send or save the pages you've selected. Choose Send an Email toward the bottom of the box. Apple Email Client will pop up with the selected pages already attached to the email. Lastly, fill out the top section of the email window, which includes the to, CC, and subject of the email. It's optional to add text to the body. Now you're ready to hit send. Thanks for watching.